Hey everyone, welcome to Lavender Cooking, and today I'm gonna show you how to make strawberry red velvet cupcake in a microwave. So let's get started. The things in it will be 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and if you want to make vanilla, you have to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla. But I'm gonna make strawberry, so I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence and 2 to 3 drops of red food coloring, a pinch of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, and some cupcake liners. So let's get started. First of all, in your mixing bowl, add in your flour, a pinch of baking powder, and your cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can use Milo or any chocolate powder, and then mix it all over. After mixing all the dry ingredients, add in your milk. Mix it. Add in your egg. And then add in your sugar. And then add in your sugar. Just mix it. After mixing it nicely, add in your strawberry essence, 1 teaspoon of strawberry essence. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want more strawberry flavor. A little bit, not too much. Maybe a drop. Then I'm gonna mix it nicely until everything is really combined. And then I'm gonna add 1 or 2 drops of red food coloring. My food coloring. Just mix it. I want a little bit more red color, so that I'm gonna add a little bit more of food coloring. And here's our cupcake batter is ready. And now I pour my batter in my cupcake liners, and now I'm gonna microwave this for 2 minutes on high on 700 watt. And here is our strawberry cupcake is ready to serve. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Please give a big thumbs up and comment down below. Bye.